Today, there's something new for you to learn. At the end of this class, you should be able to segment and blend sounds as well as draw the sound. So first on sound blending. You're going to learn sound blending by practicing with gestures. You are going to learn sound blending with the use of your arms. On the first sound, place your hand above your elbow. On the second sound, place your hand in between your elbow. While on the third sound, place your hand on your wrists. And when it is time to blend, slide through your arm and blend the sounds. Good. Now let's start now. Ensure you don't forget the process. Ow, s. Now what word is that? Mouse. Mouse is a 5-letter word with 3 sounds. I hope you are blending the words using your arms. F, E, sh. On the first sound, place your arm above your elbow and say f. On the second sound, place your hand in between your elbow and say E. On the third sound, place your arm on your wrist and say sh. Now let's blend as you slide through your arm. We have fish. Good. U, s. Blend the words using your arms. And we have moose. A, p. On the first sound, place your hand above your elbow and say A. On the second sound, place your hand in between your elbow and say P. Now let's blend as you slide through your arm. We have ape. A, p gives ape. Good job, kids. Now let's go on using another word. Sh, E, p. Now slide through your arm and blend. We have sheep. Just like you have done for the previous sounds, blend the word using your arm. On the first sound, place your hand above your elbow and say S. On the second sound, place your arm in between your elbow and say E. While on the third sound, place your hand on your wrist and say L. Now slide through your arm and blend the sounds. We have seal. S, E, L gives seal. Great job, kids. Now let's move over to another word. F, L, I. F, L, I. Now slide through your arm and blend the sound. We have fly. Good. Ats. I hope you are sounding the word using your arms. Now slide through your arm and blend the word. We have rats. Good. Ats gives rats. Great job. We have ats. Slide through your arm and blend the word, and it gives cats. Beautiful. Don't forget to use your arms to sound the words. D, a, g. Dog. Good. What do you think these words have in common? Wow, they are all animals. Great! Now, kids, we are going to move over to another segment which is called mirror. You'll be using the mirror to learn the first sound. Our first sound here is You're going to use the mirror to know the shape of your mouth when you make the sound. I hope you have a mirror with you. Now use the mirror to watch the shape of your mouth when you say the sound. Now let's say it. Is your mouth open or closed when you make the sound? You're correct. It is closed. The sound is said with your mouth closed. Beautiful. Now, kids, I'm going to say some words and you repeat the words after me. These words contain the sound. Ensure you watch carefully the position of your mouth while saying these words. Let's get started. Me, mat, man, map, mouse, mud. And the last one here is mad, more, mom. Great! Now I'm going to say a number of words. Some of the words will begin with the sound and some will not. I want you to close your eyes and listen carefully. Raise your hand when you hear a word beginning with the sound. Let's get started. Mad, cat, milk, bad, mat, mom, pale, match, noon, meal, silk, and Tom. Now I'm going to introduce the spelling of the sound. What do you think is this picture? You are very right, it is a flower. And what do you think this is a picture of? That's right, this is the sun. We can draw pictures of sounds just as we draw a picture of a flower or the sun. I'm going to show you how to draw the picture of the sound. Ensure you watch carefully. Draw a short line down and go ump, ump. Now let's do it in the air. Again, draw a short line down in the air and go ump, ump. Let's do it on the table. A short line down and go ump, ump. Beautiful. Now kids, watch carefully how to draw the sound. Up, down and go ump, ump. Good. Again, a short line down and go ump, ump. Amazing. Now kids, it's time to move over to your workbook. You are going to practice drawing pictures of the sound. So get your grade K Unit 3 workbook as you get started. Open first to page 1, lesson 1.1. Here, you are going to trace the sound. While on the next page, you are going to write the sound under pictures beginning with the sound. I hope now you can segment and blend sounds as well as draw the sound. Don't forget to attend your quiz and do your assignments. I'll see you in the next class. Bye!